I do smell every time. Does anyone else do that? When you first get a palette, you smell it? Hi guys. So I'm going to be doing a review today over BH Cosmetics Avocado Toast and Mimosa. So you guys stay tuned to get this look and to get the other look as well. And we're going to be talking about Maybelline's lip gloss. Don't forget to subscribe to Nelly Doing Things. Leave a comment. So let's get on into this video, y'all. I hope you enjoy because it was fun making. Go check that out now. Alright guys, I'm starting with the shade OJ from the Mimosa palette. I'm just giving this a good little base background color just to get me prepped for even more pigmented colors to come through here in a second. So this is the more pigmented color, which is Guava. Popped on the lid, blend that out. This is going to deepen that crease for me. And then I'm going to start my Morphe white base to cut that crease and blend it right on out. And then I'm going to the shade Salute, just right in the corners to add that little pop of color. And this color is just so pastel neon at the same time. And then I popped on pomegranate in the corner to actually sculpt out the cut crease for the halo. So it's getting me prepped and ready. And I love this color. This was the boom, the color that I needed with this palette. And I'm just going to blend that right on out. And then I'm going to cut my middle of my crease inside again with the Morphe white base to get me ready for the pretty shimmery color that is coming on this lid in a second, which is the color Champagne. This color was so cute together in that halo. And then I just finished it out with the pomegranate in the corners of the halo eye. And then I popped on that color Chill. This is the most pigmented white color. Like, look at my reaction. Yes. And then I went to my lower lid and put on some Salutes. And also I put in pomegranate to just deepen it up a little bit. And touched up Chilled, and now I got my lashes popped on. That is my chocolate banana setting powder from Makeup Revolution. Just dusting that right on all. And then, yes, we stand bronzer in this household. This is my enrobed bronzer with Makeup Revolution. Yes, I love me some bronzer, okay, y'all. So I get my cheeks to cut up my crease a little bit, and then also on my forehead, my chin, and my nose. And then I set my face with the Iridescent Fixing Spray. And then Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter to set it all off. Look at that sparkle. Oh my goodness. And this is the finished look with the Mimosa palette, guys. Look at that chill color. It is so pretty. I'm so sparkly. I love it. Look at that. So pretty. So for the second look, guys, we're going with Avocado Toast. We're going to start off with the Morphe base. I started with the base because I really wanted that to be really, really ready because those colors are very dark. The first color I'm going in right in that socket, right in the front part of my eye is Over Easy. I just want to have a little bit of warmth, a little yellow in there. Then I went in with the color Avocado Toast or Avo Toast, just to get that green in there, a background green again. And then I did pop on the color Right. This is deepens it up just a little bit. I like to use those two colors in my background crease. Then I went in with my Morphe concealer again to really cut this crease. Now I love this cut and crease method technique with just this eye look. And I just blend that right on out. And it got me ready for the two colors, which are Superfood and Guap. Guap was a little too bluish green, and then Superfood was a little too just olive green. So I just mixed those two. Next color is Pit. That's like the darkest brown. And then my favorite color too is Pink Salt, right in the middle of that green in the beginning of that white concealer. All right, and I kept on blending out that Pink Salt. And then we popped on our avocado at the top. And we popped the lemon pepper at the bottom in Pit to finish it out. And then I just dusted off that powder and boom, we are done. Here's the finished look with Avocado Toast. Then I popped on the highlighter, How Many Carats again, because and this is the finished look, guys. I love this color. I don't even like green like that, but this made me like green even more. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, so those were the two looks that I did with the Mimosa palette and the Avocado Toast. This is the finished look with Avocado Toast. Ooh. Oh, and also I'm going to actually be doing some swatches after this too. So if y'all want to just see the swatches, you don't want to see the tutorial, you don't want to see the look, you don't hear me talking, you can just go watch the swatch and see if you like it or not. So look up for that one. That one comes next. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Wear your mask, wash your hands, because a lot of people... It still blows my mind that people took up hand sanitizer and toilet paper but didn't buy soap. I mean, that'd be really bad if we didn't have soap, really bad. But I just wonder why they didn't buy soap. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with the Mimosa palette. So out of the two looks, I have to admit, Mimosa is more of my color scheme. I love this kind of color scheme a lot. It sticks out to me. Yellows, pinks, warm colors, it has good orange in there. I actually did like the avocado toast. Like, I really actually liked it compared to the Mimosa one, because I got that one first. I was like, I gotta love the Mimosa one. I know I'm gonna love it. But it's like, yeah, of course I like it. I like the colors, but avocado toast, yeah, surprised me. But with the Mimosa palette, and these were actually $14.40. They're usually $18, but they put them right on sale the minute they came out. I swear they did, but go grab it when you can. But to me, of my first look, the ones that stuck out, and I'm very shocked by this one, because I'm usually doesn't show up on my skin, and I think anyone that's more deeper, darker, rich, melanized than me, I feel like it doesn't show up like that either. It gets like ashy or wash away. It's not really pale, but I am very, very shocked by, you guessed it, Chilled. But I really actually didn't need to use concealer for Chilled right there, the white one. That one is so white. That is the whitest eyeshadow I've ever had. So I'm very, like, BH Cosmeticals, they did that. The next one is my favorite. I really did buy this palette just for this color, I'm not gonna lie. Salute, that one, she is like a baby doll's dream. It's like baby doll bubblegum, like bubblegum cotton candy pink. It's so, so pretty. Chilled was like the most favorite, like, if I want an all white eye, I can get it with this color. And then we get into avocado toast. Now, I have to admit, this palette was not screaming to me when I first seen it. I was like, I want it, because when I want that Mimosa one real bad, but I was like, dark greens, I've seen it before. But I have to admit, once I did get it and I swatched every single color, because I have to the minute I get it, literally, I was like, all right. A couple favorites I have. I actually do love pink salt. I use that. You've seen I use a little pink in there on this look. I love that. That pink is really, really pretty. It's kind of salmon. I used lemon pepper. I'm gonna do swatches, y'all. Y'all gonna see it. That lemon pepper and actually avocado. Used it. I've mixed the two together, and it's really pretty how it transitions to each other. In my opinion, I'm stunned, because I love Mimosa. I love that color scheme, but I actually think I prefer avocado toast. Like, I think this palette is more realistic for everyone. I feel like you can put it on and just, and here's a brown, here's a green, here's a neutral color, here's a pop color, you can smoke it out. It's very everyday more palette. So if people want more everyday palette, I will go with avocado toast. If you want that color, that boom boom bam, zing zing zam, the zim zilla beam, all that stuff, I will go with Mimosa. But either one of them, they both perform very, very well. But realistically, every day, or anyone, any eye color, anything, avocado toast. Want to pop a color springy in your pastel fantasy like me, then Mimosa. Next up, we're gonna talk about is the new Maybelline Gloss. We're gonna see, is she good? Shade Ice. This is very, very pretty. It's like a milky kind of, like sheer milky pink, little hint of pink. This is lighter than Fenty Beauty, so it's not as thick and rich, but it doesn't really have a smell. I'm sorry, I gotta put it on again. It doesn't really have a smell, but the applicator, it is that big dofa. It's that big one. I like when they're big too. This to me is a cute everyday, like pop it on and go. That actually was my review of Mrs. BH Cosmetics Mimosa and Avocado Toast Palette and the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things, because I'm me. All right, guys, bye.